QUANT is a project that aims to bring boundless interoperability to the world's networks and blockchains. For so long now, many blockchains have been siloed from one another, and QUANT aims to address this issue. This is one of the projects that has been around for a while but has not received the attention it deserves. QUANT was founded by Gilbert Verdian, who has a background in cybersecurity and healthcare. While working in the healthcare sector, Verdian saw how patients' data was scattered across multiple systems and platforms, and he realized the need for interoperability between different networks and blockchains. He imagined a future where all networks and blockchains could communicate and exchange data seamlessly without compromising security or trust. This was the birthing idea of Overledger, the first blockchain operating system that connects the world's networks and blockchain. In today's video, we explore QUANT's Overledger platform, its functionality, key features, and security measures. We also discuss QUANT's 2024 updates and roadmap. Stay tuned till the end to uncover how QUANT is shaping the future of blockchain. Let's jump in. QUANT was launched in 2018 with an initial coin offering that raised over $11 million. After that, the network's mainnet went live in June 2020, along with the launch of the Overledger network. The team behind QUANT is composed of experts from various walks of life. The CEO and founder, Gilbert Verdian, is also the creator of blockchain ISO standard TC307, which aims to establish a common framework for blockchain interoperability. Verdian also has rich experience in several fields, including healthcare, technology, government, cybersecurity, and law. Meanwhile, QUANT CTO, Paulo Tasca, is a former executive director of the UCL Center for Blockchain Technologies and a co-author of The FinTech Book. The COO, Guy Dietrich, is a former managing director of Rockefeller Capital Management and a board member of QUANT. QUANT has also established partnerships with several notable organizations and institutions, such as SIA, Oracle, Amazon Web Services, Hyperledger, MIT Media Lab, PayUK, Atlantic Power Exchange, and many others. These partnerships demonstrate the potential and value of Overledger in various sectors and use cases. As we mentioned on the onset, the core feature of QUANT is Overledger, which is not just another blockchain platform or protocol. It is an operating system that allows users to create decentralized multi-chain applications, or MApps, that run on top of any network or blockchain. Simply put, Overledger provides a simple and secure interface that enables interoperability between different systems and technologies. The QUANT website describes it as the world's first single API gateway, providing legacy systems with access to all blockchain networks. Now, Overledger has three main layers: the transaction layer, the messaging layer, and the filtering and ordering layer. The transaction layer handles the communication between maps and blockchains. It also uses gateways, which are nodes that provide access to different networks and chains. Next, the messaging layer enables the exchange of data and messages between maps and blockchains. It uses hashes and metadata to ensure integrity and security. The last layer, the filtering and ordering layer, organizes and prioritizes the transactions and messages according to predefined rules and criteria. Overledger has several advantages over other interoperability solutions. To start with, it does not require users to create new blockchains or modify existing ones. It works with any network or chain without affecting its performance or functionality. Also, it does not introduce another layer of complexity or risk. This is because it doesn't have its own consensus mechanism or validators. Instead, it relies on the trust and security of the underlying networks and chains. Furthermore, it does not limit users to transferring value or tokens between blockchains. Instead, it takes it a step further by enabling the transfer of data and logic across different systems and technologies. Overledger can be used for various purposes and applications across different sectors and industries, including finance for cross-border payments, remittances, trade finance, and asset tokenization, healthcare in areas like patient data sharing, electronic health records, and supply chain management, energy for peer-to-peer energy trading, smart grid management, and renewable energy integration, and governance in areas such as e-voting, e-governance, and land registry. Already, QUANT has developed several maps that showcase the potential of Overledger. Some of them are Go Verify, a multi-chain app that verifies the authenticity and legitimacy of any email, SMS, or phone call using blockchain technology. Atlas, a multi-chain app that uses blockchain technology to enable cross-border interoperability for CBDCs, and TrustTag, which allows developers to assign digital fingerprints to a wide range of items. Another interesting point to note is that Quant takes security and privacy very seriously, as it deals with sensitive data and transactions across different networks and blockchains. Some measures Quant employs to ensure the security and privacy of its network include encryption, hashing, metadata use, and auditing. Quant also complies with various standards and regulations that apply to its operations and activities, such as ISO TC 307, GDPR, and PSD2. Now let's turn our focus to QNT, the Quant Network's native token. QNT is an ERC20 token issued on the Ethereum blockchain. As with most native tokens, QNT is used for several purposes in the Overledger ecosystem, including paying for network fees, paying for annual licenses, rewarding network participants, and staking. Also, QNT has an interesting tokenomics model with a very limited supply of 14.8 million tokens, even less than that of the almighty Bitcoin. As you can see, Quant has many advantages, benefits, and potential. But like everything else, it has its challenges and drawbacks. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of Quant. First, the pros. To start with, Quant solves a real problem. Interoperability is one of the biggest challenges and opportunities in the blockchain industry, as more and more protocols and networks emerge with different use cases and features. Quant provides a unique solution that enables seamless communication and integration between blockchains and networks without compromising their security or functionality. This could open up new possibilities for innovation and collaboration across various sectors and industries. Next, Overledger is not limited to transferring value or tokens, but also enables a transfer of data and logic across different systems and technologies. We also cannot ignore the fact that Quant has a strong team. Quant, as we mentioned before, is led by Gilbert Verdian, a former cybersecurity expert who has worked in various fields such as healthcare, finance, and government. Verdian's CV is quite impressive, and it's one of the strong selling points for Quant. The project also has a strong web of partnerships and collaborations with various organizations and institutions, demonstrating its credibility and potential. Now, the cons. As you can imagine, Overledger is a complex and ambitious project that faces many technical and operational challenges, such as scalability, compatibility, and performance. This complexity could increase the barrier to entry for those who are not very tech-savvy. Also, Overledger is still in its early stages of development and adoption, and has to compete with other interoperability solutions that may have more resources or support. With the recent spate of regulatory clampdowns in the crypto market, we can't ignore the regulatory overhang on QNT. Apart from that, Quant has a relatively low public awareness and exposure, and has to deal with the skepticism and criticism of some crypto enthusiasts and experts. Now, let's get to the roadmap of Quant in 2024, which is shaping up to be a major force in driving blockchain adoption across institutions worldwide. CBDC implementations and exploration. Quant is spearheading the push for central bank digital currencies, especially with the UK's digital pound, promoting global payment system integration. This means easier and more reliable digital transactions for users across different currencies. Programmable payments introduction. With Overledger, Quant is enabling complex, automated transactions exemplified by JP Morgan's JPM coin, offering users more control and flexibility over their digital finances. Regulatory frameworks expansion. Quant's advancements align with growing regulatory demands for blockchain, ensuring safer and more reliable use of this technology for everyone involved. Blockchain interoperability emphasis. The Overledger's role in connecting different blockchains means smoother asset transfers and broader blockchain applications across industries, enhancing user experiences by removing barriers between different blockchain networks. Security infrastructure investment. With a focus on security, Quant aims to protect digital assets from emerging threats, promising users peace of mind in their blockchain-based transactions. Quant's 2024 strategy underscores its commitment to making blockchain technology accessible, secure, and beneficial for financial institutions and their customers, marking a significant step towards the future of finance. As Quant gears up for an exciting 2024, we'll be closely monitoring its journey, spotlighting the evolution and impact of its groundbreaking blockchain initiatives and the dynamic role of the QNT token. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos. Also, let us know in the comments below what project you would like us to cover next.